Lyric Theatre is hosting the Road to the Joy of Jazz on the 5th of August. Hot SA jazz sensation Kabomo will be on stage. Katlego met up with the man himself at Gold Reef City.
Dude, it's good to be speaking to you again.
I know. It feels like I was there 2 days ago.
Exactly. And last time that you were there, you were on your way to the Summers with 2 nominations.
Yeah, for sure.
So obviously that went its way. What did you take from that experience?
I took it that Zahara is not somebody to mess with. I told her, like, next year I wanna win. You better not be there.
Well, at least you're gonna be on the same stage, yeah, which is cool. So, Color Review, the song that you actually performed on the show, is doing really well on the charts. Do you think this was actually just perfect timing? People were ready for the Kabomo sonic boom.
You know, also what I've realized through my album is that the audience wants to not be ready for something, and I think that's part of our success. They don't want to predict our sound. They don't want to second guess us, and I think part of the success of like the artists that are doing well is because none of them came with anything that was prepared. Like, you think about The Soil and a cappella group that's played on mainstream radio, and you're like, how's this possible? It's because it's just so talented and it's so different. Same thing with Zahara, same thing with the Muffins, same thing with the Nachi, with all these amazing new artists. And I think I fall part of that they were not expecting it.
Yeah.
And that's why it's so successful.
This once-off performance on August the 5th is an appetizer for the world-class jazz that Jozi residents can look forward to at the Standard Bank Joy of Jazz this year, taking place from the 23rd to the 25th of August.
You know, my dad used to bring me to Joy of Jazz when I was a kid. Like, I think when it started, I don't know, a couple of years back. And I've been to almost every single one of those festivals. For me to have my name associated with that kind of a festival, there's no preparation for it. It was like when I got the call, I could not breathe. I was like, what do you mean? What do you mean? What is it joy of joy or is it joy of jazz? Like, no, joy of jazz, like, wow, you know what I mean?
And you used to do a lot of background work for other artists. You did work actually here at the Lyric before, but not in the capacity of an artist. So is it really a big deal for you?
I'm Unachi's music director, and Unachi's played this venue twice and filled it up, and I was just running around doing like background work for her, blah, blah, blah. And during all the mess and the chaos, I would stand for like 10 seconds on top of the stage and look out here and go, there's such a huge venue. In my wildest dreams, no one will ever come, leave their home, and come fill this amazing venue to come see me. Like, it's like it would be a dream, but it's never gonna happen. Let's get over, let's work. And now, like, I'm like literally days away from seeing it happen. And I think it's testimony for whatever faith you believe. I believe in a God. Last year, I was homeless, had no place to stay, staying in friends' couches, like trying to put this album together, not eat for a few days. And a year later, I'm playing a dream venue at a dream festival.
Experience the Road to the Joy of Jazz. Book your ticket through CompuTicket and visit goldreefcity.co.za for all the details.
Love is a beautiful thing. Oh, yeah.
Espresso and SABC3.